Hi everyone, so today I've got a small veggie haul for you today. So I've got 4 items to show you, and then a 5th which isn't really in the haul but kind of is, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm just going to start with the veg. So I went to Aldi. This is where all the stuff's from. It's Monday and it is 10 to 5. So I went to Aldi after school because I need some veg. So I didn't have any lettuce, and that's the main veg that they get. What veg have I got? I don't have that chair's just there so Ziggy didn't open the fridge when we're at work and school. I've just got a bit of red pepper left. You trying to get in the fridge. So I've got a bit of yellow pepper left and a bit of yellow pepper and some baby carrots left, which they'll get along with these here. So we've got a broccoli. I've just put the receipts in my, here it is. So that was actually 39p. I think it was reduced. Yeah, I don't know how much it was before, but it was reduced. So yeah, I just got a broccoli. Not had broccoli for ages. And I don't feed it too often as it can cause gas and bloating, I believe. And then I picked up 2 packets of Little Gem lettuce. Now, as you can see, compared to my hand, one of them isn't that big. So these, if I just got a packet with these 2 in, it would only last me a few days. Whereas I want these veg to last me the week, maybe a little bit more. But it will last me the week, probably. So I've got 4 Little Gem lettuce heads. And I was going to get a pack of romaine lettuce, because it was reduced from £1.19, I think, to 8 to 9p. But they were out of stock, which sucks. So I just got 2 packets of this. They were 79p per packet. So they were 79p each. Then, how much are these? Let's have a look. Green beans. Ooh, they're quite expensive. And so I've got some green beans, and they were 95p. So yeah, that's just what they look like. But you do get quite a lot, but they were 95p, which doesn't seem much. I mean, it kind of is for Aldi, because if you think about it, they're 79, but these are 95. But you get a lot, so I'm not complaining, and that is fairly cheap. So that's the veg I got, and then I just got some kitchen sacks on, whatever, kitchen towels, and they are strong and absorbent. And you get 2, so one will be for my mum's kitchen roll, so that's the last one, and then one will be for cleaning the pets' cages. So yeah, I just thought I'd include that. I know it's not really necessary. Yeah, sorry, that's basically what we got. So yeah, I'm just going to make the pet salads now. I would like edit it out and do a music bit of me doing the veg, but I can't show you that, unfortunately, as I'm recording off a phone. Sorry this video was quick, but at least I've got a video up today, hopefully. Might be uploaded in the morning. Might be uploaded in the morning.
Oh my god! Oh, the pretty boy. Oh, the pretty boy. Oh, the pretty boy.
Look at my white dressing gown against his black fur.
Oh my god, you're so pretty. Handsome boy.
Oh, poor and poor forever.
Your mum is a nut job, isn't she?
So yeah, that's what we got. Hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was fairly short, but I have waffled. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.